Ayun. Ayun.
Hmm?
We're live.
We're live na? Are you sure?
Yeah,
Saan?
it is.
Mm.
Hello. Yeah, we are live na, Daddy.
All right. Hello, 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 everyone. Hello, parents there. Hello to everyone. Bag nga bigat yo amin na po. Malam kan rabi. Ano?
Yeah, teka lang. Trying to,
So,
just waiting for ano muna. Teka lang.
sinusubukan mo.
Making sure lang na,
Everything's going
yeah,
well.
naririnig ba nila tayo?
Yeah, I think so.
Bear with us. It's our first time to do our live
Live, yes. And,
using a new application as well na StreamYard. Ayun. Okay, so I can hear myself. So anyway, um, so again, magandang umaga po or good evening, good morning, good afternoon sa inyong lahat, wherever you may be. So my name is Zapra.
and my name is Kenneth.
So we are a couple. We live here in Northern California. It's August 28th right now in our area, Wednesday, and time check it is 6:26 p.m. here in California. So this is again this is our first time, like I said, first time to do live. Actually, today is our first day of the 90-day success challenge.
Mhm.
So before um, we tackle the task for today, we want to just give you a quick background of who we are. So we already mentioned our name, but background, what I do, I'm actually a nurse. I'm a veteran. My husband here.
Hmm? For me, I'm a professional stay-home dad
Okay.
for who started 2018.
Yeah. So we are actually parents to five beautiful girls.
Mm-hmm.
Our youngest one is just 3 weeks old. So I just had the baby not too long ago. And we are proud
Proud
digital
digital
business
business
owners.
owners.
So, okay, so our topic for today pretty much is just an
An
introduction.
introduction. Yeah.
Introduction. Why? So I guess why are we going to do this 90-day success challenge?
Yeah,
So
challenge for us, and hopefully we could educate you, inspired everyone with our business partners and future business partners, and hopefully you could get encouraged too, and be inspired of what we're doing, and what else?
well, also we jumped in doing this 90-day success challenge because we also want to challenge ourselves. We want to improve our confidence,
Mm-hmm.
public speaking.
Yes,
That's
and
one of the weakness I have ever since. But being part of a digital business, of course, we have to
show
um,
ourselves that we are true
true. That's
or
one.
real
Yes.
with this business.
Right. And also, of course, it's the trend now. A lot of people in social media, a lot of people are doing live. So you have to, as a business owner or as someone who is in the digital, um, um,
World.
yeah, being part of the digital business now, we have to be able to um, follow the trend, or
Mm-hmm.
makiuso ka dapat, or you need to adjust with change, whatever is out there, kasi this is your marketplace, right? So you have to be competitive. So in order to do that, you have to also learn what they are doing, right?
Mhm.
Personal growth as well. That's one other thing that we want to um, do, or the reason one of the reason why we are doing this 90-day success challenge. Improve ourselves, challenge ourselves to be out of our comfort zone. Like I said, public speaking has been my weakness. Um, Itong pagsasalita ng English pa, I have to challenge myself to also speak in English in front of the people. So that's one of the things that I want to improve on.
Mhm.
Ano pa? So nasabi na ni Mr. Of course, we want to show ourselves. We are real people. Especially kasi ang daming mga, there's a lot of other digital businesses out there now. And of course, people are easy to are quick to think that that's just a scam, or
Mhm.
like they become skeptical. So we want to give assurance to the people, to our future business partners, that our business, the business that we are
Mm.
in, we are going to offer you
Yes.
is not a scam. It's real, because we are showing ourselves to you guys. We're not
Yeah.
gonna risk showing ourselves or our family, if this is a scam, right? So we want to show you how legit this business is.
And I
And
just want to acknowledge to our viewers,
2 million viewers.
Uncle Felipe Asuncion, hello po Uncle,
Oh
and
no, not only two.
Brother Roger, kakatapos lang ng live din nila. Yeah, so we waited to finish you guys so that hindi tayo magkakasabay.
No, I have, so you have two there.
Yeah.
I have four on my end out here. Hi to Karil,
Oh, I could see Charis
my
there. Hi,
business
Maricha.
business partner, to our mentor, Lian Abad,
Oh,
to Maricha.
Maricha will be
Hello.
next. She's gonna be on
Come
doing
on,
this
join
live also.
us.
Yeah.
We just started, so you guys are not too late yet. You can join us in doing this 90-day success challenge.
Mm-hmm.
But also another thing that I can think of would be also, we want to discipline ourselves to by doing this 90 challenge, I think it will help us um, discipline, or like help us to always show up for our business. Kasi
Mm-hmm.
nga, um, definitely this business is something that we are
Proud
parang
of.
proud of,
Proud of,
right?
and
And
we know that people will get ano, yung
Tagalog mo.
matulungan with this business, especially with those especially with our goal that we dedicate this one to God to help other people.
Mm-hmm.
So by doing this business, we've been blessed. So we want to bless others too
Mm-hmm.
by spreading this good news, or
It's good opportunity to
opportunity
other
to other
people.
people.
Mm-hmm. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much just to encourage, to motivate ourselves to always show up for this business. Because
Mhm.
we really we are, like I said, we are proud digital business owners, but how can we really show that to people if we're not really showing that to the or they cannot see that in our own social media, that
Mhm.
we're always there. So that's why
And then
this is a good way to show to people that we are present always, and we are always there for our business partners as well.
mhm.
So ano pa?
And then plus one way this also with this 90-day success challenge is just to let you guys know, or the people are watching, what are we been posting on our social media. So with this everyday live, you will know eventually what we are into, this digital business, what we were talking about with this digital business.
Yeah, so
So
because actually part of this 90-day success challenge, we will be eventually tackling different topics about
mhm,
that involves yung journey namin in this digital business. What are, and you guys will eventually, as you follow us, and which we invite you guys to follow us every day, since it's gonna be a 90 days. So we're gonna be together for 90 days, and we will talk about different things and we can talk to you guys about what are the benefits of this
Mhm.
digital business and what had it had kung ano pa yung mga nagawa niya sa amin, and also different things na that involves our digital business.
Yeah, and feel
And
free
hopefully,
to
yeah, yung parang pretty much to inspire, educate you guys.
and feel free to reach out or ask questions about it, or you could just simply go to our website that flashes in your screen,
Yeah.
and you would know about it. Just like our one of our business partners said, example na is the yung when you watch a movie, you go guys to check first the trailer. If the trailer is good, and then you will get excited. Oh, what is this movie about? Just like that one.
Ilang minutes
You
na ba tayo?
tend to
11 minutes.
check it first.
Sino pa? May mga dumagdag pa.
Mhm.
Thank you. Oy, may 5 viewers ka na dyan.
Uh-huh.
But anyway, also, I know it's just our first day. Pretty much it's just to, just introduce ourselves today, sana. But I would like to, I would like to take this opportunity na rin to, um, parang, sabi ko parang actually parang i-celebrate namin or our Thanksgiving to God
Mhm.
for what happened for this month. Kasi this month, like I said, I just had a baby. Also yesterday naman we also celebrated our 13th
13th year
year of our wedding
wedding
anniversary.
anniversary.
So we are thankful to God for His
Faithfulness
faithfulness, and
and
yung just all those blessings na binibigay niya sa amin. Not only through this,
mhm.
he's been blessing us with this digital business, but
Yeah,
he's just
sabi.
been providing just a lot of blessings na, overflowing blessings sa amin.
Yeah, sabi nga
And
ng Panginoon in 1 John 4:19, we love because he first loved us.
mm, and
Yun.
then yeah, so actually yun nga, we just want to thank God na it was a safe delivery for me. Yung
Mhm.
baby namin was healthy, wala kaming complications. So just we just want to glorify him, and that this 13 years na magkasama kami in this marriage, having 5 kids, which is not easy. We are so thankful to God kasi siya yung naging
Mm.
katulong namin. He's been guiding us and helping us, providing for everything that we need. Kasi hindi naman biro talagang magkaroon ng maraming or malaking pamilya, especially here in California or in the US, being in a very expensive place. So,
Mhm.
siguro, paano ba, before we end, kasi short lang naman tong live namin today. Um, Gusto ko sanang we just want to sing a short song.
Hmm.
Kakanta ka ba?
Oo, ikaw.
Short song lang
Practice ka.
na I get, like I said, I just want to share how grateful we are to God.
Grateful, yeah. Just
Yeah.
to give
And
thanks
hopefully yung
just
song
through this
will
song.
also inspire and bless you guys for tonight.
Yeah,
Aba.
and credits to the who is the song here.
Ano?
Parapan.
Credits to ano. So we're actually, the song is the Goodness of God. Battle ng Battle Music. So
Thank you,
basahin mo
bro
kung sino yung mga
Tony.
ganyan.
Blessed anniversary to both. Thank you, and Ate Jao. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. Oh, maghaharana si JK. Hindi ako yung maghaharana, siya yung maghaharana.
Hopefully marinig yung ano,
Ready,
yung
ready.
song. Okay. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up Till I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Love your voice. You have led me through the fire in the darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. All my life you have been faithful. All my life you have been so good. Every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I will sing of the goodness of God. Short lang, but
Yun.
hopefully
Thank
it
you, thank you.
had blessed you guys, inspired you guys. But this has been one of our favorite songs because it just reminds us of how good our God is. That even when times that there's
Times are
trials in
rough.
our lives, He never failed to, show His
Show up in
mercy,
mercy hand.
His grace to us. He's just been good. That's just, I think, kaya kinanta namin because it just sums up yung
Yeah.
13 years na in our marriage. He's just been good to us.
And he will show up in perfect time. Never too late, never
Everything.
too early.
Yeah. Kasi of course, merong rough times kami. Of course, in any relationship, there are challenges, right?
Yes.
That's how you grow, how you mature. But
Yeah.
then, God has been good. God
Ayun,
has been good. He's been, kasi yun yung maganda kapag yung nasa gitna ninyo ang Panginoon in your relationship. He will take care of you guys. So anyway, maraming salamat to all those who
yeah, thank you for
watched
our
us.
viewers.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, Marie Roger, Tony, Ate
Hopefully,
Jao,
you
Ate
guys,
Jeans, nakahabol daw.
kahabol ba sa atin
And
na?
Uncle, yes, I love you to Uncle. We love you to Uncle. Thank you, Panginoon. Uncle.
Yeah. Hopefully, so we will end our live here. I guess, again, thank you for watching us and for your support. Continue
Mhm.
to follow us and watch us in the next coming days until we finish
Yes.
this 90-day success challenge. And again,
We'll see you tomorrow.
I am Zapra.
And this is Ken again.
We are the owner of this
This
website.
website.
You can see in their page in front of you right now. It's we are the owner of this website, www.genozap.com.
Genozap.com.
We are proud digital business owners, and for those who are just curious what we do,
Mhm.
you can always visit our website anytime. And yeah,
And
bye for now.
bye for now and see
Thank
you
you.
tomorrow.
Thank you. God bless you all. Have a good night.
Bye.
Bye.